Hi everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. Today we've got this absolutely stunning Ford Fiesta ST-3. It's a 2015 model. It's done 77,000 miles. It's finished in the race red. And it's had just one owner from new with 9 main dealer Ford services. This car has been cherished. It's only ever been to our local Ford main agents here in the town. MOT'd and serviced by Ford. Never had a single advisory. Even the discs and pads are genuine Ford Motorcraft items. It still retains Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, and you will honestly not find a better example than this. It's got the style pack, so you've got the grey wheels, the illuminated sill covers, etc. As you can see, it is practically brand new showroom condition. It's gorgeous. It's got the privacy glass. It's got the TPMS system, the rear parking sensors. Really nice. We've got 2 keys with it. It comes with your warranty as standard. I don't know if you'll see that there, look, but they're Motorcraft genuine pads, recent discs, look. Tyres have still got 6 or 7 mil. There you go, see how clean it is in there. This thing, honestly, something special. I'll show you inside. Oh, well, yeah, as you expect, immaculate. All very clean. You've got your genuine Ford mats there. This one's even got the 15-inch space saver wheel. Folding rear seats and your load cover there, all present and correct. Whilst I'm here, just look how clean it is in there. You probably could eat your dinner off that. Don't know why you would, but you could if you wanted to. Oh, it's keyless entry as well. I've got the illuminated sill covers. Got the Recaro interior, which is perfect, look. Same in the back, absolutely pristine with the Isofix. Even the seat runners are spotless. We've got folding mirrors and electric windows. Auto lights and wipers. Also got cruise control. Climate control, obviously, it's an ST-3. Heated seats as well. Auxiliary input and USB. Illuminated cup holders. The LED under the dash. Bit of mark there. Steering wheel, much like the rest of the car, is excellent. And I'll just start it so you can see there's no warnings or anything untoward. By the way, the car is absolutely stock. There are no modifications to it whatsoever. And as you can see, no warning lights either. Flick through the trips, you can see 77051 is the miles. Fuel lights on, but we can live with that. You've got a DAB radio. We've also got nav with your maps just there. Your auxiliary input just there. Phone, radio, navigation, all your normal bits and bobs. The top spec Sony stereo. 6-speed. This is the only thing I can find anywhere, and there's a little bit of scratching on top of the gear shifter, but nothing really. Got your handbooks, your locking wheel key, and holder for the new SD card for the navs. It's got the later navs in it, nav disc in it, sorry. Yeah, and there you have it. Quite possibly the tidiest ST on the market at the moment. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.